Talia, do you think these will float or sink?
I think both will sink.
Let's find out.
Hello everyone, this is Little Geniuses Lab.
Where curiosity comes to life. This is Talia.
And this is Mo.
Let's drop the egg and see.
Okay, that one's done.
Let's drop the second egg.
Wait, it's floating? No way!
So why do you think this happens, Talia?
I don't know.
Well, the salt makes the water denser, which makes the egg float. The particles of the salt pushes the egg up, so it is floating.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Try this at home and tell us what happened. Did your egg float?